kind of at peak STEM hype, which is good. For young people, get everybody involved, no matter who they are. There were a bunch of project kits that came out, and this one's a SparkFun one, but the notion behind these project kits is that you could write code, check LEDs, press buttons, do other interesting things, try and get excited about software and hardware and engineering. And then when you're actually done writing the code and that kind of thing, turns out these things were more than prototypes. You could actually snap off the pieces. You see the cut line on this one. You cut on that line, and then everything below that could be removed, and you solder some wires, or in the case of this one, you use conductive thread, and you could then sew these things into clothing, and you would have a working project that you would prototype. A little bigger one of these is actually the Desk Pi that I did in a couple other videos. It's got 7 sensors in it, 3 output devices, and the RP2040. And the idea is that you go and build a project. You start writing code with this. You kind of get a feel for how you want it to work. You do the basic prototyping with it, and then you cut it apart and you mount these things in the project where you want them to look. So how does that look when you separate them? Let me switch over. So the red SparkFun here is an old proto board, and I actually snapped one of these off because I needed one piece for another project. But this one's basically got a button, a buzzer, an LED, and I don't remember what the other one is because I can't read it with the glasses I'm wearing. And then the other thing it's got is a USB to line adapter, and I use this for programming other controllers. The one next to it is actually the real Desk Pi, not the one from the picture. And you can see I'm pointing at it with my pen where the cut marks are on this. And the idea is that you could basically just cut this entire section out. You could cut the microcontroller out, and then you could actually mount these in your project where you need to do after prototyping. But they're so cool, I hate to pull them apart. So otherwise I'm having to buy 2 of these. Anyway, have a great day.